Anyway, guys, this is Samana Pisangvosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. A happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. So, guys, the people were shocked to see the wife is like Amosamsaleko without Makwela. You can see it's a recent pictures, guys, that they were attending this other event, and people were asking themselves since Umakwela and Matela Ngibo bestie. Obviously, Umakwela, she's the first wife. She makes the decision. Why not invite Umakwela to join them? Others are saying, oh, maybe this is a good news, guys. Remember, on season 80, Utanones Temple, Umayeni, Utobile, and Mangwabe, they have not yet met Umakwela, guys. Maybe they are trying to protect the content. Usne once say they will do anything back Amseleko to protect their content, guys. Lena I content. Imagine seeing Umakumalo and Makwela having dinner. Obviously, we're not gonna enjoy Utanene Tembo season 9, so we rather wait for them to introduce Umakwela to the other wives officially. So people are saying a lot of stuff. Some are saying, oh, what's Musamsalako he's using Umakwela. They've never seen him posting ingane yaka Makwela. He's always posting ingane zaka Vuyokazi, Utirelo, Abompumelelo, Abongwe, Abompilo. But when it comes to ingane yaka Makwela, he doesn't post her. So people are saying a lot of stuff. Oh, guys, let's wait for Utanones Temple season 9. Although others are saying what they might not come back, but the way they are behaving, it shows good they wanna come back, guys. Why they are not posting no Makwela, guys? We all know that it is alleged to Makwela she stay in Muzumbe, guys. There's no way that these three, they are not getting along. No Makwela, guys. No way, unless they are protecting the content, guys, for Utanones Temple season 9. So anyway, guys, tell me your conversation. What do you think about this? Do you think Umakwela, she was just an actress for Utanones Temple season 8, or else she is Musamsaleko's official live wife? What is going on? So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. Love you. Bye.